How to sell embroidered baby clothing on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So here we have a lot of products to buy from, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be a seller as well and make a lot of money from selling your own products. So for example, let's check this product page. So in Etsy.com, we call these pages a shop page. It's where you have the pictures of the product or the video, if there is any. And it's where you have the price, the description, the quantity as well. And it's where you add the item details and the shipping and return policies. So I'm going to show you how you can set all of that in your shop page. So let's just close this page and let's go back to the main page. Click on the shop manager in the top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here we have 6 steps to go through in order to set our Etsy shop. The first one is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop. Then you will stock your shop. Then you will choose how you'll get paid. You set up the billing or the payment processors. Then you choose the shop's security. So here, let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for your shop. Then remove the spaces between words. Then you try to shorten the name. Let's remove embroidered. And the name is already taken, so you can just add a number to make it unique. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop or adding some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before proceeding to adding the photos and details, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields to fill in this step. So here the first required field is the photos. You will need to upload at least one photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to enter a price for the product. Then we have the listing details. You will need to fill all of these red fields. Then for the shipping, you will need to fill as well all of these red fields. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. So here you enter the title of your product. Then you answer these 3 questions. who made it. You have three options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have three categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category. So here you choose the category of your product. So I'm going to choose a clothing set. Then you have the primary color, if you want to choose one, the secondary color, the size, you choose a scale in here, and the hand knit, if it's yes or no, and the sustainability, you can select up to 3 options. Then we have the set includes, you can select up to 4, and here we have the clothing style, if you want to choose one, the occasion, if you want to choose one as well, and the holiday, if you want to choose. Then we have the renewal options, if you want to choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to choose the manual, which is free. So I'm going to choose the manual, and here you have the type of the product, if it's physical or digital. Then for the description, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have one, you can add him in here. Then for these 3 details, the section tags and materials, I'm going to skip them for later. Then here you enter the price for your product. So for example, this one. Then you have the shipping. So as I said in the beginning, turn all of these red fields white by filling them with the right details. Then last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges. You can choose the 30 days policy by clicking on apply, or you can choose another one, or you can even create your own policy by choosing what you will accept and what you will refuse, and also by choosing the time frame that you want to go with. Then when you're done, you click on save and continue. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.